law enforcement doesn't win when it comes to this. But we can't let our actions be determined by an internet website or some campaign people that put out day 5, day 6, day 7, because you know what? I don't care if it's day 5, day 50, or day 500. That's for the oil spill in the Gulf. That's not for fair and impartial justice. So we're not going to be dictated by some cute website that, you know, demands us and calls for us to do something prematurely. I asked myself, in this case, what would the people want me to do? And I think the people would want us to take a look at it to determine if it's credible or not credible. Again, corruption issues have been on the front page and on TV in Broward County quite extensively. So I felt an obligation, despite the fact that we're not going to win either way. We're going to be accused either way. So when someone alleges that there's been wrongdoing, it's our responsibility to follow up. When an inquiry leads to evidence of wrongdoing, we present it to the proper authority and we take appropriate action with their help. Either way, BSO will vigorously investigate all allegations of crime. That's our responsibility. But at the same time, I'm not going to let our integrity be impugned or compromised by other people that may want to use this agency in that manner. Again, this is not a political agency, it's a professional agency. And that was one of the things I ran on and will continue to do, is taking politics out of the Broward Sheriff's Office. And again, once again, we're damned if we do and damned if we don't. But we're used to that, and it doesn't lessen our responsibility to do the right thing. So because Commissioner Gunzburger is a sitting commissioner, and because she is running for election, I thought the best thing to do would be to expedite this in order to give everyone some kind of resolution. So I asked our people, go ahead and do your preliminary inquiry. Let me know if it rises to an investigation. Then we'll get the appropriate people involved, whether it be the state attorney's office or Florida Department of Law Enforcement, whatever that may be, and we'll proceed from there. But if it doesn't, I want to know that too, because that's the prudent thing to do on our part. Now all of this revolves around BTW, better than wood. That shouldn't surprise you. You've written about that. You've reported on it numerous times. Anyone in Broward County has read your articles or heard your reports regarding BTW. Now normally, we don't like to, and in most cases, like to specifically say who or who is not under investigation. We don't name names until the investigation is over. We're not trying to be evasive to the media. We're just trying to be fair and do what's right. You know, our ability to achieve positive results is based on our credibility with the community and with the citizens. Because if there's wrongdoing being done, they usually know about it, and we want them to come forward, and we encourage them to come forward. But at the same time, that integrity can't be called into question by anybody in the public, that we have ulterior motives, and that we're serving our interests. We're not. We're serving the public's interests. That's what we're protecting. That's what we're serving, is their interests. So the allegations that we've looked into so far are nothing new. Again, they're things that you reported on and you have written about in the past. So basically at this point in time, based on the information that we've been provided so far and we've reviewed, there is no information that we feel that would lead to any criminal charges against Commissioner Gunzburger in this matter. And therefore, based on that information, we don't feel there's anything left to investigate at this point. Once again, regarding the Broward Sheriff's Office, I said in my statement previously, we will investigate all allegations of crime, but I won't allow our integrity to be compromised by those who would seek to use our agency for some other ulterior motive.